I am so angry.
Asemaba, aden Sammy Gyamfi no agrada hu bibi gu nani so anase de.
Sia na me hu video no Sammy Gyamfi ye da wase wate. Ye da wase bebre ye ni hia ye ka kire ye da ase.
And we are giving her money. For what exactly?
Hey, Mahama, resign the boy.
Adey. Adam be say adwuma ne date Mahama sa adey.
I am giving the president, His Excellency Mampeni John Dramani Mahama from now to Friday. Say I was saying Mampeni Mahama it me take action. Two things. Either say Sammy Gyamfi be resign and I say Mampeni Mahama be suspended. Any
Ya se edomani sando son takrache ana se wonyini nwie ya yensra kwatia abusia be kai Sammy Gyamfi a na o position na wo kasa pay eti ne ya ne dollar sensen ba yi no even on one party members ain't me defend no say no ka say the NDC food soldiers omubo fu pa hard one a o comedian so dia omu di Sammy Gyamfi atem pan se we kwasi ampanyini is he mad say omu na ya adwumadene na obesan omu ho edis ka koma agrada omu ntiase aha Penyah block media best was any day over like video no other ma over subscribe button so click the notification icon of latest update na be chere wa ndia ma me e wo comment sma so baswa na she be dem for so enya bi ahwe edu nya ya we ade a 20% Sammy Gyamfi mu the Mr. Dollar Man gold board chairman $0 or Ghana how this carton prada say ye series kwa no esuama no ehia no ye series ni sha is $0 or Ghana ha $80. Yes, that's Sammy Gyamfi for you. Dollar Man. Oh, $80. Just a dear man abuso. Emu ko Bishop Penyah so Penyah na gagaezi na jagaezi eyi mko jana eyi. Eyi na sanu ko bonds 20,000 cedis 20 million. But omunam kwa so ba agrada be say Sammy Gyamfi ska. Ema Sammy Gyamfi boru an kem ekoyi $. E be kai man.
Ona budi ni na mama anaye. Fani na mama. Ni na mama. Dawo. Honorable.
Honorable.
$2. That was Sammy Gyamfi.
Yes.
Who say woman?
Kai. Monday. Mommy, our
$. Cash flow. What I say? Let the money flow. Cash my about town, dollar my about town, Mumeje, agrada jeje, $, Jito Petru, $, Sikabe fee, gold ball chama, Sikabe fee, elephant blogger lande, Sikabe fee, $. Emma do a buy and some of you render apology. Now apology because our cat at was said. When you go better, say, Bonnie be him so no. I had their tire, a custom, any tradition. Say Anthony and Sema only be any other Mumbu. I'll be in a costume 18 or 3 say, Sikin or my god and my god say, I got that a only be, or I got that only be 18 or may you knew said Sammy Gyamfi, Washada so, and I said, Odema, Agrada. Now, a buy a media, so Agrada so can simply end of dinner on them. Because, party members and boyfriend, don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. This money is not any big amount of money. Don't be jealous. Emma see what kind of, Sabe she NDC food soldiers. There won't boyfriend say, one. Almost Agrada doesn't deserve anything good from NDC party. You say, oh, you'll be a OD party not pay Udi Mahama. 2, we are in Ghana, but why are you not giving cedis? But you are spending $. In this situation. As a money now account and I'm a $100. I'm a dollar declaring to me now. So in 10 years, party members no food soldiers no. Almost Sammy Gyamfi. I bet class hard on park it can be per Eddie.
I am very upset this afternoon. I am so angry. Oh, big man. Look at us. Oh. We the food soldiers. We were those making names on social media, fighting, dancing, campaigning. I was at Legon up to 3 o'clock a.m. fighting for JM and John Dumelu. I went up to Zabsgu fighting for NDC. You came in power just for a month. You are not thinking about your food soldiers, how to get us work. And you are going around with V8s and $, full of the car, sharing it to someone who was against your campaign, who was insulting our president. Now you know how to give this woman $10,000, coming out to tell us that you are sorry. So are you taking the $10,000 back and share it or use it for the youth? Or what are you telling us? So if we accept the apology, does it mean that you are taking back the $10,000? $10,000 is not a small money. It's not a joke money, bro. As I am here, if I get even $1,000, do you know what I can do with $1,000, bro? You are saying the youth to engage in agriculture. Look at me. If you give me $1,000, I know what to go and do in agriculture. I know what to farm. Don't you think I can use $1,000 to start my agri business? Ah! Abo. You can't apologize. So what should we do now? Charlie, if this thing are going to continue like this for 1 year, I swear, I never go vote give NDC again. We there here. It's the earlier the better. We should better change it right now. Other than that, it's not going to.
Ebusia asemaba aden Sammy Gyamfi no agrada hu bibi gu nani so anase de because me dwi want mentiase o the way Sammy Gyamfi wonim say enkrofo asset trap enkrofo asset cameras ne satellite e dia to so no wankasa e na wode wo hu sei ade akwakoma ene ye trom je the way e be no this week no the way amanfo de be ma left and right no me me expect say NDC mpanifo no e be ba bonten ababe condemn dia Sammy Gyamfi here no because enye fine wonim say wo pie ko abonten na se bia wo ko yie wo ko wedding ni Samuel manema na as a public figure and as a politician no obi obehu bia no obe try say ye baby say usika and as baby say obibi what are you supposed to do as say won say sika edi say obotom 10 cities 20 cities 100 cities 200 cities edi say fa na say obotom ba bia say de bia obi bisa wa ha ade say wo ye na say wo yudi won sa hyemu a na wo yisika no edi amanipa no wo Sammy Gyamfi wo anya ne saa wotumi anya kokuduro ama agrada abisa wo sika wonya kokuduro akwa bi o ka eyi sika esan so flip sika no na edi akura na kan se wo de kan sika no nga wo de wo yi sika no yi sika no mu kakra fa ma no wotumi anya kokuduro kan sika no one by one mama ne se wo fa sika no nyina mama at the end of it na mama ne hwim sika no bundle of dollars e de fi wo nsem e de ko no Sammy Gyamfi me say good word now wo so no ho enkrofo bi atwa nkrofo bi nso no enti ekwan bi nkrofo no be fa so a ombenya no ono na mo fa so enti de wo ye no totally no good SSS adi way SSS yes so because the Sammy Gyamfi here no enya de beboa any simply from dua bonten no make asenti adi way because ade amasa enya de beboa me expect say asiedu nketia any e friend say the president John Mahama will launch the code of conduct even after code of conduct in amotumenya kudro akwa yes adi access Sammy Gyamfi wakwanya kudro nya sadi way Sammy Gyamfi wewu amafo be no dread omo no so a masa members NDC mpanifo no bi beba bonten ababe ye de ababe defend sadi way ye defend ye yi because obia ehu ye hu de ekoso no enye esan grassroots no kura ebre wotumi yisika say e de ama obi say grassroots bi ebisa wa e ona so man 10 city woman 20 cities a e na obeye mama part e na like ode bo amo de ba power even mama part we na ba bonte be ka say Mahama no Nyankopon ayi kirine afiri so enya ade obetumi ababe ye president Ghana have you na Sammy Gyamfi wakoko yes ade we yen ka say man che obi sika be kwan ya ofo so wo che nipa ni sika no enya ade e fa kwan pa so nti ali sim panifo no mra bonte no on be kasa because ade we omo ye de enya fine enya fine kra a some dread
Sisia na mi hu video no Sammy Gyamfi ye da wase wate ye da wase bebre ye ni hia ye ka kire ye da ase sika bebrebe me say na no me ohonu no bi ba me die mu some guy be so e next me o se kolebu se he me na guy no so ye campaign minim say guy this guy was doing campaign back to back o say nanado pen so ye contract say omo contract wu onu so ye NDC ne onu so ye ba be yi na this guy is crying onima dwuma o ba be ye ye mu po hono say sika na wo kan dollars a wo de man obetima ma ye mensa pa me dia kan ye business ho ye business ama ye business tumpon what say sika bebrebe asa dia ma sika ni bio Sammy Gyamfi NDC for youth ye buafu akasa afa na matini ntia obia buafu afa na mati ase ye now ahemachi anajo ne e so life ye nya jimi for ye use ye nyakasa ye airtime ye campaign ye mankofo sika so munko vote adai.
I've seen so many comments about people blasting Sammy Gyamfi for gifting Agrada money, blah blah blah. And for once, I agree with those blasting him. honestly, because John Mahama during campaign period, like women, and they are still struggling. I'm not saying say NDC about power and NDC ni be ahuntono, but there are some people. There is this one girl. Campaign period, me witness it pass a girl or your campaign up and down Koba, and from the girl ne mame, and so NDC me no so your campaigns. Ultimatum texting me, sister, my school fees cramming to me. All these people are there during campaign period, and some full ben I grad amet na hanka, and some ben I grad amet na hanka, and we are giving her money for what exactly? Let's put campaign and 1 year so when is and all of that. This woman is very comfortable, and we are still giving. There are some things that once you decide to talk about them, you become disrespectful. But let's look on the other side. There are so many people who need help. Young Kofubi Bremu here more assistance now, and those people are not like you show more crowd. Those you few or more. Or more in here, any day, like do it.
Hey, Mahama, resign the boy. Sammy Gyamfi boy resign. Let alone the politician that work dollar work for a totally minus or a negative as a politician. A what dollar work hard, may I give to Shadow Joy. Needy. Nagado, you need Wagana. Or you need the day as nature that no one shot or $1 in Bia Wagana. One more be 1 million so lie. Will be on corner region office on $1 in Nibiman. Send me in there. Dollar one Kalim Wagana as Sammy Gyamfi. Sammy Gyamfi could create $100 that my God don't go to fuel. Them no like on $700 don't go to fuel as a politician. And what the miss K. Kalim on a bump with a minus. Nagani get $1. $1 no then will carry. Hey, when I get fun with a fun, you go the ED. What the best sponsor I grad that man means the man like in December where you want to campaign. I come on $1. One chemo be aligned and made a demonstration.
Penyah, you are Ghana ha, and I'm Mahama say Munye. It's teacher like my 4 any 10%. And then my devil you Mahama buy and chair, Yasum. And in a new answer, also light bill 14.something%. Water 4.something. I bet you says coming now the other bank at the cop. And yet, Sammy Gyamfi $10. $10. Say $800. We bundle that $800. We are there bundle that $800. What the check grada? Nakana Hani Patu and there was their converted 800 class, a 15 Ghana City. What the anti-crime say 10 Ghana City. Almost 10,000 Ghana City. Ghana for the one and then now in the work as almost 10,000 Ghana City. I want my account. Somebody has here. Now Sammy Gyamfi, now credibility better than Sammy Gyamfi, but want to be gold miners. Also, they will chase down.
You Sammy Gyamfi. So, Adia Mahama, I will be a bonabasso. Be a bonabasso. What take it just one day pay? I come mama part $1. Because of dollars are demanding to and one will be a social media, none will be a boosty. A day, I don't say money a date, Mama Hamas, a day. The way and 1 idea. Me person, we a very brilliant guy, me person. But why would you even do that? Say, if you would $1 could go carry monocampono and yard papa, would this sika be brigu came camponia papa? They say a 10K, some didn't find idea. Because Mahama boy Mama appointees, Mama Edumana Mahama Ebono. MAS has it like more Hanoi, more bedestable. Massa.
When you are not to be honest with you, I just Sammy Gyamfi airtime. Sammy, you know, I don't know why Mama NDC. Because you wouldn't yet Mama NDC and you true. John Mahama so more competitive. Someone one you will be an amphibian when it's a summer. I grant you will be always. She said, what is canon? We share a macacran and cross up was I from Ecam? Mammy come forward. Mammy to Bramani Bawea, which is I don't know, meaning send a message come some cry. John Mama. John Mahama Sammy Gyamfi pe be man contract chisa. Man a wo ye no. Sisi a wa me hu say won ko ba bia mpo na de o je Victoria Hammer o ka se nyame bo so nya $100 million a obeja ai wunya abikura si a scout ma dollars na wo ka see this crop man kenya en hadwe ana se bia $20 bia na $40 bia na o man scout ma is kake
me acting on this issue. So Obia the beche Sammy Gyamfi anyamia there be Sammy Gyamfi has to pay for it. Now you fan and this in penny force if you try to go the way of the NPP, masa, you guys will go home very early in the morning in 2028, and they are making this very clear. And this is my take. I am giving the president, His Excellency Penyah John Mahama from now to Friday. Say I was saying Penyah Mahama it me taking action. Two things. Either say Sammy Gyamfi be resign and I say Penyah Mahama be suspended. Anyhow be Penyah Mahama deems fit. Say obe punish Sammy Gyamfi be supporting. Name boom. From now to Friday. Say the presidency Penyah Mahama and Sammy Gyamfi as soon as Sammy Gyamfi so and resign. That's the NDC penny for fan say enya sembia. This is what I will do. Number one, men support any call for Penyah Mahama to go for more than 4 years. Ebe fiasco in Ghana ha. This is what I will do. Media in America chiremu say, should the presidency fail to discipline Sammy Gyamfi, I will never ever support any call for Penyah Mahama to go for more than 4 years. Sabiu enye ononkwa na enimu nyansa. Ne 4 years we so onko tena fiedi. Na say NDC for also any Penyah to lead the party after Mahama. Let the party be where you want to be. It's that simple. And I will drop support for Mahama's 42-year agenda. Me drop it, me support him. And 4 years depend on say should the president fail to take this matter serious? Send American men support anything Mahama beyond 4 years. And 4 years depend on what. Enya so pe onko tenefi. And this will be my stance. So I'm making this very clear to each and every one of you. Me fama semunsi. Say Mahama anya hu bibia on call for more than 4 years bia in Ghana ha. We are going to resist with the last drop of our blood. Yes. It is up to the president to do what they or he is supposed to do. Now, let me play some videos, some videos of NDC Grassroots who have come out to also express their discontent. Now, Montias here say, these are people I've known during the campaign time. These are not random people. I just came across their video for you to think, say, maybe they are members of NPP and are pretending to be NDC. No. These are people I've known since campaign period. These are people who spoke for the NDC. These are people who campaigned for the NDC. And like I'm saying, these are people I've known since last year campaign time who were on TikTok every day campaigning for John Mahama and the NDC, who have now come out to express their displeasure with the ongoing Sammy Gyamfi issue. Iti yentie ensemua omonso ede atudwa. Then I will leave it to the authorities of the NDC to decide on exactly what they want to do. These are the grassroots. These are the people who brought you to power. Yes, these are the people who made Sammy Gyamfi who he is today. Omu inaya campaign man party nya 2 meeting and they will take a flashy camera spray dollars so semu a serious party na semu pese mo kofa pa as a party. These are the people that you must listen to, because these are people you who worked for you in 2024 last year. And these are people you need again in 2028. And this in TRCS, no, the radios now are on serious TV stations, no? And the person TV radio, the person TV, everything is on social media. It is social media for no, if you take them for granted, they can do or undo you. And then TRCS, say if you take the social media people for granted, you are in trouble. And yet 2028, NDC will go home early in the morning. I'm telling you the fact. Okay, say we campaign for you to come and mess up. You think we campaign for you to come and play the fool, to spray dollars and drive in flashy cars? Sure. Mo yare. Listen to them. The first video.
Sammy Gyamfi. Yana ye potoma ne fe no. Ye de ye ti se ye di bebo mu won. Yana ye yam hwehwade no. Sammy Gyamfi yam pepa ye nsa kwa. Yana ye frudua ekoyi wo no. Mama ye ntafre ye nsa. Na ye nte ewo ne de. Ye mfa ye nsa pepa dua ho meboa. Sammy Gyamfi. Wia say ye we obi tumi ehuhu ema obi keka na. Obi huhu mo obi nkeka. Watumi akan sika dollars e de ama agrada. Sammy Gyamfi. Emfa woni a chew pa wo de aba. Emfa woni won sem a wakeka mi busa wo say. Anza na wo koyi sika de ama akwa ma agrada tutubotom ni kromfo ba no. Anza na koyi sika de ama no. Yen grassroots na ye adwuma ma party ni ba power no. E de ba de na wo wa ye de ama ye. Edia bade na wo waye ede ama yen grassroots no eye NDC foot soldiers no edia bade na waye de ama yen Sammy Gyamfi wagu yanimu ase papa wagu NDC tiktokers wagu yanimu ase ankasa woma na omo ba ye video ase ebe didi ya tem unim JM we henfa sika sen na obi beba ose mo be bress anso party ni ba be ma ye ma mo kapre obi ba wose wo pe adwuma de ama obi papa enso wo nya hwimfiri mu Sammy Gyamfi sankrofo kro ya beba ye video ase biem on beba be didi atempe on beba wa mo manya yen ankasa ye mu bi me risk ye mu bi mu ye risk ye life ye waste ye sika ya ye campaign e dia ye adwuma den ama party na ba power instead of you guys to turn back and be looking for us. Na mo hwehwe yen na nka mo fa bibi enhye yen sem mo fa bibi nhye yen funu mu enye yen nyina na ye benya ministerial appointments but at least anka mo hwehwe ye kira kwan na mo pa bibi mpo mfa ma ene ye se bra ye no e bia sei ni enya free mu eno de no but obekan dollars na wo de ama agrada tutubotom na agrada no e de ba de like sika na wo de ma agrada na de be nti na wo de sika ma agrada wo reason is saying aden a e na wonim se wo ye papa ne ye na ye ma party ne ba papa no aye ye papa awie wo asiesie ye awie e na wo koma agrada sika na ka mi hu ye agrada na mo no sika ben na agrada wo ni agrada se ne ho kire ne sen enuntin wecha yegu wodi sika akwa agrada Sammy Gyamfi enye agrada we no be di His Excellency John Mahama yen ye papa woda ye yakoma so a obi di na temetumi kan ya koma agrada to meet na ni page e di papa we yatem for no reason ogu His Excellency John Mahama ni mase enokra na ye 1 week to election na dia na no wo hwehwe na ope party ni downfall o didi Mahama tam said be collapse NDC party no na se nenya kopon apagya nensa na nyakopon ayadoma who like who to me yes who mingle wo with your enemies and then money matamfo na edi agro money matamfo na tun se didi wa ho once wa record we de wa beto abonten or de achew kra wajao or de achew once wa record e de wa ba beto abonten yena ye bre na because of ebusuya because of sa campaign we ya me ye yenti no baby ama me metie me masesa me location se na me hwe baby ana metie na me hwe baby ana makwa kwatena because of am for threatening na ebusuya me kan kra be ye mmobo
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section ha yi Penyah Block Media.